Welcome to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a question on the board which we are to find the value of x. Now looking at this, we have 32 in base 4 equal to 22 in base x. So what do we do at this point? When we want to convert from base 4 or another base to base 10, we always expand it. When I mean expand it, we always do something like this. 3, 2. We will now count it 0 and 1. We do the same thing here. 22, which is in the these are the base, so we now count 0 and 1. So on this note now we can now expatiate on it. What we do now, it will now be 3 multiplied by the base raised to the power of 1. So 3 multiplied by the base raised to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by the base raised to the power of 0 is equal to the same thing done here will be done here, but this time around the base is x, so it will now be 2 multiplied by x. The base is 1, the power is 1 plus 2 multiplied by x, and the power is 0. On that note, what do we do? 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So here will be 2 equal to, here 2 times x will be 2x. 2 times x raised to the power of 0. X raised to the power of 0 is 1. So here becomes 2 times 1, which is what? 2. On this note, you will agree with me that here we have 2. Here we have 12. So 2 plus 12 will give us what? 14. Equal to, immediately let us move this one to this side, it will give us negative 2. So let's bring it here, negative 2 equal to 2x. So we save our time. 14 minus 2. 14 minus 2 will give us 12. So we write 12 equal to 2x. On that note, if we are to look for the value of x as we are to do, if we divide both sides by 2, x will be equal to 12 divided by 2, which is equal to 6. So x, the value for x is that x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. So this is our final answer. Please do well to follow the page. Thank you for watching. God bless you.